this top tonight, but I might because I actually really like it. Y'all, I'm really trying to decide. I was doing my get ready with me video and now I can't decide which top I want to wear. Like for the video, I definitely said I'm wearing this top, but I'm actually liking this look. It's so cute and chill. For what we're doing. I think these are it. Okay. Now, let's turn to the other top. Because I'm not wearing this one. It's just not a showstopper. And it's like annoying too. This is like cozy and pretty and elevated.
And told me to take great care of you.
Aw.
You went and got a light. There's some more plates, okay? You want to keep the chopsticks? Oh, yeah, I'll get you some more right. Sure.
Thank you. It's hot. Should have stole some of this. So my friend brought me my roses finally. So what had to happen was he had to report them as not delivered or stolen, and they issued a redelivery and they came today. So my roses came, and like I wish you can see the scale. Let me see if I can show you how big they are. I'm gonna sit down next to them. Like, we just came from dinner, but like they're really massive. I just unbuckled my pants because we went to dinner. I'm gonna take some photos by the roses. I'm gonna turn off this light because I'm like fluorescent lighting. I'm a little litty from the day I'm watching Baddies. But yeah, my roses are beautiful. 100, give or take, because I don't know, this bunch seems a little scarce. The last time I got 100 roses, they were like more like pulled together. I think the vase is too big for the bouquet, but yeah, I'm so happy that I finally got them. And to the hater that jacked my first batch, you're a whole biatch, and you're gonna get yours, not by me, but by karma. One meme on never where all the girls come in with all that shit. That's me. They send that to me because that's really how I am. But it's cold in here, so I wear the men's sweater because I'm not trying to be cute. I'm not client facing unless I want to be, and most days I'm antisocial. So yep, this is me at work. Let's get it. I sit higher than everyone else. They're so private in here. I'm not gonna scan the office, but it's just a regular office on the back. My hair's cute. It's President's Day, so I'm here getting double back. And with my Simple Martin coat. I just want to tell y'all how my week's been. I'm so tired, but today I worked with PR. Yesterday I had my annual review. I'm in the bathroom, so I don't want nobody listening because I'm still at work. But a lot's been going on. Good things, very good things. But yeah, I have so much to update you with but I have so much to update you with. But what the main thing is that my annual review was amazing, except the criticism I got was to remain humble. Now let me tell y'all, I've never been told to be humble in my life. And so it's funny how when you just show a little bit of confidence and assert yourself a little bit more, people are threatened. So I'll get into this more, but I had to stop and say that before I forgot to mention it later. But I'm waiting on my friend. We're gonna commute home, spill a little tea, and yeah. Talk to y'all later. Peace. Turn on a little bit of heat. CarPlay is connected, even though I'm not using it today, but you never know. Sunglasses. Okay, I'm gonna actually close this because I don't want to be distracted looking at myself while I'm driving. Okay, we're car chronicling it today. It's Friday. I'm leaving a little later than I usually would, but it's Friday, so traffic should be a little lighter. Excuse this non-smooth ride. If the video is bumpy, I'm not in my baby vanity yet. She's on her way. March 5th, they told me. So anyway, I briefly started talking. I can't talk at work. I can't have people in my business, even though I wanted to shoot in that bathroom because it's pretty. I can't be that transparent there because you never know who's listening, and all these people are weird. Now I'm really her at work. Like, everybody loves me. And because, you know, in an office, there's a lot of favoritism, there's a lot of inequities, and I am the little glimpse of fairness and non-cutthroatness in, okay, I won't say that because, you know, I don't want to misrepresent the company, as they would say, but I'm just that little glimpse of light. I'm a light in that office. And although it took me a cool year to build that reputation, I built it. And I was consistent, and I still am. And the team respects me for it. Hey guys, I'm about to go to Erewhon and show you all my favorite things. just got back from the gym. I cleaned the kitchen, made my banana protein shake. It's delish. It's so good. I think the last time we were talking, the camera died while I was in the car and it wouldn't charge, so I didn't get to finish what I was talking about. But the more I was thinking about it, the more I realized that this needs to be a whole video on what I'm talking about. The fact that people in the workplace will mistake your confidence for a lack of humility, and that's not right. And it's a sign that they are insecure. And I just want to dive into that on a deeper level. This is problematic, and not just in my workplace, but everywhere. This is not my workplace is not the only place this is happening. I'm sure of it. So I just want to have a whole video about that because it really bothers me, and I really want to see. I don't want anyone to be discouraged by someone telling you that you're behaving wrong because you want it more for yourself. That's crazy. Yeah. It's Saturday. I'm gonna try to film this video today. The light's hitting my window weird. I wish it was like a cloudy day, because then I don't have to wait for the sun to move behind one of these buildings. But and then I'm gonna pick up my mom. She's gonna stay the night with me. She comes over every weekend. If you guys don't know, my mom has dementia, so I spend all my free time with her. I don't date right now. I went on a date with a friend, but I'm not seriously dating anyone. I'm in school, I'm working, and I'm spending time with my mom. Like, that's my life. And then I hang out with friends. Like, I think that's it. I'm gonna try to capture something interesting that I'm doing today, but otherwise, that's a wrap for this week. That is all for now. I will talk to you guys later. I always see vloggers like catching this shot of them like walking to the window and staring outside. I'm gonna do that right now with my protein shake. Excuse my ring light. I mean, my view is nice, so.